In Gujarat, police recruitment is turning high-tech. Police are using microchips to assess physical fitness. This is being done to eliminate the allegations of corruption and bias during the recruitment process. Rohit Ban reports.
High-definition cameras, microchips and digital monitoring. Technology, the new mantra for the Gujarat police to make their recruitment process free from errors and bias. For over 6 lakh aspirants who appeared across the state for the first stage of selection, a much needed intervention, especially as in the past, physical fitness tests have been marred by allegations of favoritism and corruption.
As a safety measures, we have put up the chip on both the legs so that even if by chance the error take place in the machine, we also have an alternative available. Everything is recorded, everything has been kept so that if anyone have a doubt, they can come for an appeal and see what exactly is their performance.
It's time for Gujarat police to use technology for its recruitment process. And in fact, right now we are here at the police headquarters, the stadium where this recruitment process is on. And you see technology being used full time. These are the microchips which are being put on the aspirants, the candidates who come here for the recruitment. Once they are fitted with these microchips, they go on to the track where they will be tested for their physical endurance.
टेक्नोलॉजी के बदलाव होने से मतलब करप्शन का जो बच्चों के दिमाग में जो थी कि भाई भर्ती में ये होता है फेवर एंड फेवर वाली बात, वो बिल्कुल खत्म हो गई है इससे।
इस सब टेक्नोलॉजी से आपको क्विक रिजल्ट मिलता है, इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट मिलता है और इसमें गैररीति और इसका कोई गैररीति का कोई चांस ही नहीं है, बिकॉज इसमें सब कुछ कंप्यूटराइज स्टोरेज होता है, इसलिए आपको क्विक रिजल्ट और परफेक्ट रिजल्ट मिलता है सर।
In fact, even call letters posted online. And for those who forget to download, not to worry. A text reminder will instantly reach their inbox.
And we are using technology. RFID is being used as of for this purpose. And this technology is used even in Olympics for marathons also. So there is totally very minimum use of human, that error chance is not there.
Almost 8,500 vacancies likely to be filled during the 2-day drive. Hopefully, better use of technology will also be implemented to make their lives as future cops stress-free. In Ahmedabad with camera person Pramod Arya, Rohit Ban for NDTV.